Strategy refinement. No one can build a strategy that achieves success from the first time. Actually, with time, you can build a successful strategy. But in order to build a successful strategy, you need to refine it. For you to refine it, you should have the data that build your decision for this refinement. Traditionally, most of the strategy team, they used to try to create this data within a workshop. But actually, the data should be collected from the employees during the whole previous strategy implementation. Unfortunately, most of the employees don't have an easy way to log this data, so they end up skipping logging the data, resulting that the strategy team don't have enough information to refine their strategy. So this was one challenge that affect the success of future strategies. The other challenge that actually affect the success of future strategies is the correlation between efforts and results. Most of the time, we think that if we execute this activity, we achieve this result. But in reality, this activity might have nothing to do with the result. An example, we think if we visit customer more, we might achieve more revenue. So we start visiting the customer more. But the actual thing which is generate for us more revenue was improving the product. Most of the time, organizations, they do this correlation manually, ending up having a wrong correlation between efforts and results. While with simple strata, we can do things in a different way. So, what simple strata can provide you within strategy refinement? The first job, simple strata can help you collect data by providing an easy way of data log. The second thing, simple strata can analyze correlation. Instead of doing it manual, with no enough numerical and tested information, simple strata can do it using machine learning engine to identify correlation between activities and results. Simple strata will give you all of this information in order to have a better strategy refinement at the end of the previous strategy you execute. So let me show you now how an employee can provide that valuable information for his organization. I'm an employee, I'm working within the mall, and then I remember a certain thing which should be done. Or I'm an employee in the process of executing a specific task, and then I face a challenge, and I see that this challenge should be improved. So I just go to the simple strata, and then I can say, you know what, that should be done by, let's say an example, the whole organization. I can go and add for the organization something called expectation. Yes? Or I can specify a certain team. You know what, this is one of the teams under alliances is affecting me. If they can do it, I can add it to them. Or I can add it on my board as well. So let's go back to the same example that we did before, which is within, Samir Ahmed. So I can go for now collection, AUH Samir Ahmed, and then I can add a new expectation. If you provide me with a driver, it will help me reach the customer better because I don't need to spend a lot of time searching for a parking, and this will increase my productivity. Yes, so this is when I log it. It is always there, and whenever I go for the refinement, I know what are the employees are expecting to achieve better strategy. As per machine learning, that's definitely beyond the scope of this presentation, but we guarantee for you that this correlation and what's called in the strategy mapping will be done in a way more effective than before. Simple strata makes strategy simple.